I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you solution of a question where we will learn how to find image of a point when reflected over a line. The question here is, find the mirror image of the point P, 3, 8, reflected on the line x plus 3y equals to 7. So the line is given to us as x plus 3y equals to 7. Let us find the slope of this line by rearranging. So we get 3y equals to minus x plus 7, or y equals to minus 1 over 3x plus 7 over 3, right? Now if I have to reflect a line over this line, if I have to reflect a point over this line, it will be forming a perpendicular line. Let me explain you. Let's say this is the line which we're talking about, and let's consider a point which is 3, 8, let's say somewhere there, right? In that case, image will be on this side. So if this is the point which is 3, 8, then P dash will be same distance away, correct? That's the whole idea. Second, what you also note here is that this line will be perpendicular to the given line, right? So this is the line L. P dash will be a perpendicular line, right? So if the line is perpendicular, what is the slope? Slope of perpendicular line will be negative reciprocal, which is 3. So I can write the equation of P1, that line. I can write this equation as y equals to 3x plus b. To find the value of b, I can place 3 and 8, right? So we know point P is on this line, so which is 3, 8. Substituting 8 for y, 3 for x, we can find b, which is 8 minus 9 equals to b, and that is minus 1. So we get the second equation, that is the line P dash, as y equals to 3x minus 1. So we have two equations of line, the first one given to us, the second one right here. Now from these two equations, we can find the point of intersection. Let's call this point of intersection as A. So now we'll point, so now let us find the coordinates of the point A. So we can substitute value of y in equation 1 and then solve, right? So let me do it on the right side. So we have x plus 3 times, y I'm writing as 3x minus 1 equals to 7. So I'm substituting 2 in 1. So we get x plus 9x minus 3 equals to 7, 10x equals to 7 plus 3, which is 7 plus 3 is 10, right? So x is equal to 10 over 10, which is 1. So coordinates of A, we got x value as 1. To find the y value, I can use this value. So we have y equals to 3x. X is 1, so I'm writing 1 minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So the y value is 2, right? Let us assume that the value coordinates of point P1 are x, y, which we need to find. In that case, A is the midpoint, right? A is midpoint of PP1. So midpoint formula, as you know, when you divide them, add them and divide by 2, you should get the point A, right? So the midpoint, we get x plus 3 divided by 2, that is the x value, and the y value will be y plus 8 divided by 2. So that becomes the midpoint of coordinates A. However, we know that the A is 1, 2. So we can now find value of x and y. So x plus 3 over 2 is 1, rearrange, x equals to 2 when you multiply, and then take away 3, so that gives you minus 1. Y plus 8 divided by 2 is 2, cross multiply, y plus 8 equals to 2 times 2, which is 4, or y equals to 4 minus 8, which is minus 4. So we get the point P1 as minus 1 minus 4, correct? So the answer is C for us. So that is how you can actually solve such question. So the idea is, from the given equation, take the slope. Negative reciprocal of that slope gives you slope of the perpendicular. Use that slope and the given point to form the second equation. Solve the two equations to find point of intersection. That point of intersection is the midpoint. Using midpoint, you can find the value of the image, right? So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. We'll take few more examples to practice. I'm Anil Kumar. Feel free to share your comments and views. If you like and subscribe, that'd be good. Thank you and all the best.